Hey, Motor Builders. I just picked me up another kit. A GMC Jimmy. This be the first GMC on the channel. Now, I got an idea with this. Because I got this kit today, and I plan on getting another one of these kits. And this kit right here, and swap the grills. So I'll be making this Jimmy into a Blazer, and be making this Chevy Cheyenne into a GMC, whatever. Thought it'd be a neat idea, and hope you guys like it. And we will see when we'll do this, and I'll have a few videos coming out soon. All right, stay tuned for those, and comment down below. What do you think I should paint this? Because I got a sky blue to paint this, but should I do black or white for this part? Not sure what this is called, but that part right here. All right, tell me in the comments below.